focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
เร็วไปเร็วYeah.
Feels pretty good. Not too cold.
They show about half cloud all day, but not.
Yeah, I say clouds today, but it's not. What now?
Believe or not, she loves it. Hannah, same her dad. Hannah มีไปแล้วนะลูก
Come on.
Hannah, come. Good girl. What's the next we go?
We're gonna go into town now. We're gonna go into Bay City, and we're gonna go to a Walmart, stock up on food, and then we are going to go toward Houston. Where's Hannah? Oh, Hannah.
Hannah, some bird can pick you.
Yep. Here, honey.
Hannah is so dirty. Whoop.
So over that bridge right there takes you to Matagorda, the beach, and that takes you right out near the ocean right there, or rather maybe into the bay. I'm not sure. Okay, right now we are at Matagorda Harbor, and now we're gonna head over to the beach right now.
We go 2 days ago to look this area.
We went before, but we're planning to just spend the night tonight. Maybe get some more pictures and
get some shower.
Yeah, get a shower here. So it's not hot shower, so we're gonna make hot water, but they have water. So they have water here at the harbor, but we're not sure if it's potable water or not, so we're not going to take it. So that's it. You don't have it flayed already.
Yeah, we want this. It is frozen. Wow, neat.
And this is the drum.
What is this?
The drum.
Black drum.
Black drum.
What is that? What's that taste like? What's the better fish? Red snapper gonna be better to eat? Yeah.
I think this ถูกมาก
Oh, that's like what? Is that like halibut or something like that?
Flounder.
It's a flounder.
Oh, flour. That's right. We get to see this fish and
Right.
All right, we just bought a fish. Got the name of it. It's I have no idea what kind of fish this is, but we'll see what it tastes like. I'm sure Sue will eat it.
Sure.
Let the thing run more. Not the water, they're running. Yeah. I used a spigot. There's a spigot.
Can you throw the trash?
Yeah.
Because have ice
By all means.
and
Tell me when. We gotta make sure we throw all that away. It stinks really bad.
yeah. Yeah, not a lot.
Let's see if this water's getting cleaner now. Okay, we're eating tacos again. These fish tacos.
What's the name this fish?
I don't even know. I
The
forgot.
one, the lady she told me I need to back look a video.
Mm-hmm.
Not easy
Did anybody
to cut.
recognize it? But on my taco, I have the fish. I have onion, tomato, sriracha sauce, a little mayonnaise, and some potatoes I made. Excellent.
I forgot to put potato.
Brad, you're missing out. Want some potato?
But I wrap around already.
Honey, taco, you just fold in half. You don't fold the back. You fold the back when you make a burrito.
Give me potato.
All right.
Why?
That's the rule. Nobody knows why.
I don't want fall down. Too much.
Okay, here, quick, take it. Oop.
Okay. Thank you. Hannah, wait. Oh. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
No. No.
Okay. You put too much on there, honey.
No, because I eat the same you tell me. I wrap around tight, be good.
Gotta hold the back. Harry, get down. Last bite.
I still like tilapia. This strong to me.
Wow, I think it tastes good. Tastes like fish.